Hello, welcome to this free Blender course that teaches you how to create and animate a sci-fi wormhole. In this course you will learn how to animate stuff on a curve, such as cameras and objects. We will cover the topics of modifiers and constraints to make our camera move realistically through the wormhole. You'll learn how to adjust the interpolation of the animation in the graph editor with the help of curves. You will also be shown how to edit curves to give the camera a realistic rotation, so that the camera is able to ease into the curve like a roller coaster. Also learn techniques you can apply to a wide variety of use cases. We will also cover adding objects and editing them in edit mode. We will also make use of modifiers to change the properties of the objects. You'll learn how to navigate the timeline editor and add keyframes, allowing you to create animations. Then we will cover the topic of shading the wormhole, creating the shader from start to finish, with in-depth transfer of Blender nodes consciousness to your brain. So basically we'll create a cool shader together. Like a bunch of happy toddlers, we will also play with colors. Another big thing you will be taught is to create a star field background. From creating the stars shader via a complex, yet super easy node setup, to creating a subtle nebula effect on top of that, as icing on the dessert that is Blender awesomeness. Okay, that sums up this course in short. I hope I have gotten you excited for this course. Please be aware that it is advised that you have basic knowledge of Blender, in terms of interface, modeling, animation, shading and file management, plus basic knowledge of how to use your human brain. This course will always be free, so take your time if you like to work in slow motion. So if you take this course, I hope it will be worth your time, and I hope to see you make creative stuff with the help of this course. Adios.